Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the verification code if it's not received on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to get this 6-digit code or code sent to you, but you're not seeing it in the Messages app, there are several different things we can do to get that fixed. The first thing that we're going to do is swipe down from the top right. And we're going to check to see if you have a focus mode turned on, like Do Not Disturb, or in my case, Work. If that is turned on, just toggle that off real quick, and that should help it. The next thing we're going to do, still in the control center, is to toggle airplane mode on. This will disconnect from your cellular network. Usually all of these verification codes come through text messages. So I'm going to turn that on and then turn that off, and you can see these bars reconnect to my cell network. After you've done that, see if it works. Try it again to see if you get that code. If it still doesn't work, let's open up the Messages app. Now keep in mind, the new Messages app does filter these codes sometimes. So if you see the filter icon at the top right, just tap on that. And it's usually in transactions. So you can tap on transactions and then all transactions. And you might be able to see the code directly in here, whereas it wasn't in the normal message section on your iPhone. If you're still not seeing it, let's hop out of here and open up your settings. There are a number of different things we can do in your settings to get that fixed. So let's scroll to the bottom and tap on Apps. And then we're going to scroll down until we find Messages on this list. There it is. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to check and see is where it says send and receive. This should say the phone number that you're using to get the verification code sent to you. If you tap on it and those emails are just selected, make sure the phone number is selected. You can uncheck the emails if you want to. Now, after we've gone through this, we're going to toggle iMessage off, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. You'll be able to see it says waiting for activation. So it will essentially reactivate your messages on your iPhone. After we've done that, we're going to scroll down again, and you'll be able to see as I scroll down, we're going to see retry as a text message. If this is turned off, it could cause some issues. So turn this back on. And the next thing we're going to do after you've done that is to scroll up, and you'll be able to see it says screen unknown senders and text message filter, etc. If any of these are on, just for a little bit while you're trying to get that code, you can turn these off, essentially to make sure all of those codes are not accidentally being filtered out as spam or anything like that. Now, if you go through these steps and it's still not working, the next thing we're going to do is go back to the very beginning of your settings. So go back to the very beginning of your settings. From here, we're going to tap on where it says Cellular midway down. And you can see it says, in this case, AT&T. That's what I have in my eSIM. What I'm going to do is turn the line off completely. This will disconnect from your cellular signal. And then we're going to tap on it and turn the line back on. This will essentially just reinitiate your cell signal from your iPhone to the cell towers, and a lot of times fixes the issue. You can see when I go back out of here, now the line is turned back on. Of course, if you have a physical SIM card, you can just eject that physical SIM card and then put it back in. The next thing we're going to do, if all of these don't fix it, this definitely will fix it. We're going to tap on General, and then we're going to go down to the very bottom and go to Transfer or Reset iPhone at the very bottom. Now from here, you'll be able to see the first option, Reset. Let's tap on that. And now a lot of times the issue with these codes coming to you is an issue with your network settings. So essentially all you need to do is hit the Reset Network Settings, and you're going to enter in the password for your iPhone. This is the password that you use to unlock your iPhone. Your phone will restart and it will reset all of those network settings. After you've done that, just try again. Just go into TikTok or Facebook or wherever, and then just go in here and see if that text message code finally comes to you. It should be delivered to your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit that subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.